All right, the next thing that is going to be on your test is a term called density. D-E-N-S-I-T-Y. And density is a measure of the amount of matter in an object. What does that mean? Well, if this is my object, if this is the outside of my object, and these represent particles, would you say that that's very dense?
No.
No. So if this is the bound of my object, and which one is more dense, A or B?
B.
B would be more dense because there's more particles in it. Okay? And then finally, if I had another one,
I'm just guessing here, but I think C will have the
Looks so weird, yes.
all right, now which one is most dense?
C.
C. Now if I had to tell you to pick one of these objects as to which one is a gas, which one would you say is a gas?
A.
Good. Which one's a liquid?
B.
And which one would be a solid?
C.
All right, now let's look at how to calculate this. Okay, we have an object that I happen to really adore.
What? No.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. Yeah. All right. I love Mountain Dew, but I love water more than anything because without water I would not have Mountain Dew. All right. So I love water. Now water has a density of 1. We're just going to say it has a density of 1. We're going to make things easy. Okay? Now density equals mass over volume. Okay? Mass over volume. So anything that is greater than 1 is going to what? Sink. Anything that has a density less than 1 is going to float. Okay? So if I have an object X, an object X has a mass of 4 and a volume of 2, what is my density?
2.
Well, what is density? 4 divided by 2. So 4 goes in the house, 2 goes outside, 2's on there. So what's my density?
2.
My density is in fact 2. Now is that going to float or sink in water?
Sink.
It's going to sink down at the bottom because water has a density of what? 1. You guys are geniuses, and that's density.